Alright guys, so on today's episode number 2.5, we're going to do some van tours. Hope you guys enjoy.
I'm Jerome, I'm 30, I'm from France. I bought this van a few days after landing in Auckland, in a small city next to Auckland.
How much did you pay for this?
How much did I pay? Well, I paid 8,800 and I had a second battery for $1,000. Mitsubishi from 2008. And next I'm thinking I'm going to visit the North Island like Rotorua, Waiutapu, Tongariro, and then going to the South Island. I work in my company for 5 years, and it was kind of boring doing the same job every day. And I worked 7 hours per day, so it was work, sleep, work, sleep. I was attracted by the landscapes in New Zealand. J'aime les États-Unis.
Merci.
My name is Clement.
And Charly.
Charly. We're 22 years old, from France. So he's from the center. Where are you from?
In France?
Yeah.
Or in the Sud?
Yes, south.
South. Montpellier.
Yeah. So I'm come from Geneva and we've been in New Zealand for 1 month now.
Yeah, 1 month.
Yeah. So he bought a van. So the goal is to craft it and to travel around the country with it and to sell it to a big price.
Yeah, I think a big price.
I mean, you guys have done a really good job building this thing out, and I know when it's done, it's going to be really nice.
Yeah, it's going to be really nice for sure.
You can sell it for a lot.
Yeah, but he put a lot of money inside. Yeah, so much money.
I mean, it shows. That's just your electrical system is going to be way better than everybody else's. Do you guys have plans for New Zealand? Do you know where you're going?
Yeah, for now we're going to leave the farm and going to Fiji Island for Christmas.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, for 8 days. So after this, we come back in New Zealand and we're going to start to travel around the South Island. So we start by Wellington.
Yeah, Wellington.
Yeah. And more, yeah, for the New Year. And then we're going to travel and go to Queenstown to work in a farm or something else, whatever we find. So yeah, he bought a van. I bought one too, 1 month ago, but it's dead. So now we're gonna buy another one. Take all the stuff inside the old one and put it in the new one. So then we can save a bit of money. Not lose too much.
Ja, ich bin Anton Emer, 24 Jahre alt, komme aus Frankfurt in Deutschland. Und ja, hier habt ihr gerade den kleinsten Campervan auf der ganzen Welt gesehen. Sehr komfortabel, wenig Verbrauch und sehr schön auf der Straße, fährt sich wunderbar. Und man kann sehr viel Spaß in diesem Auto haben. Und ich bin sehr froh, diese $800 investiert zu haben. Okay, mein Plan for New Zealand: ich gehe mit einer Freundin Richtung Süden, die Westküste entlang und bin dann auf der Südinsel und auf der Südinsel setze ich sie dann ab und fahre dann alleine weiter und surfe dann noch. Auf dem Dach von meinem Auto ist dann noch ein Surfboard drauf und ja, das ist das perfekte Surferauto. The name of the car is UB. UB is the first name and the last name is Free, so it's UB Free.
Yes. Nice. That's cool. I mean, it's awesome. Like, honestly, traveling in such a small car is going to be great because, like, gas is going to be so cheap.
Yeah.
And then you can park anywhere.
Yeah.
And you'll never have to worry about that. Which is nice.
Yeah, because it doesn't look like a camper car.
Yeah, it just looks like a car.
More like a gangster car.
Yeah, maybe.
Je m'appelle Tracy.
Nice to meet you, Tracy. Tell me about your car.
J'ai acheté mon véhicule à Auckland. Le véhicule était vide. Je l'ai acheté dans un garage et en fait l'homme qui me l'a vendu a tout fait à l'intérieur, donc je suis la première génération de backpacker. Je vais voyager dans l'île du Sud, South Island, and I think for 1 month, pour un mois je pense.
Why'd you come to New Zealand?
Why?
Yeah.
Parce que voyager, c'est ma passion. J'ai voyagé il y a 2 ans en Australie pendant 1 an. Et j'ai voyagé pendant 5 mois en Asie. Et j'aime vraiment trop voyager. Donc voilà, j'avais envie de découvrir un nouveau pays. J'ai acheté une petite voiture parce que j'étais toute seule. I was alone, so that's why I bought a small car. But it's really cute and I have enough space, so that's okay. I had a big van when I was in Australia, but I would like to change and try something else, so that's why I bought a small car, but it's really nice.
My name is Rick.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Why'd you choose to come to New Zealand?
Because a lot of people recommended me doing so. For example, my brother, he's been here as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I saw a lot of pictures and it seemed to be a very nice place for backpackers. I bought it in Auckland 4 weeks ago. It doesn't have a name yet, but it's going to have one once I'm able to build it like I want to build it. Like, it doesn't look like my van yet.
Yeah.
So I don't want to give it a name. I'm with a friend of mine in Raglan.
Nice.
And I'm going to do some surf lessons over there. Yeah, it's a fun story. I ride bicycles at home and I saw a lot of nice streets to ride bicycle on. And there's so many beautiful landscapes in New Zealand. And then I bought it like 1 or 2 weeks ago in Rotorua.
How is it sleeping with a bicycle?
It was weird the first 2 nights, but now I get used to it. And I had like the perfect position for the bike, so I can fit it in the back of my car. And I just like fix it to the wall so it doesn't fall on me while I'm sleeping.
Nice.
Yeah, and I have a lot of bed sheet that I can cover with, so
Yeah.
it's still comfortable and cozy.
I'm Alex, I'm French, I'm 30 years old.
So why are you in New Zealand?
Just to travel, I love photography, so it's a good country for me to enjoy that. Hiking as well, and yeah, travel, see people, meet people, and enjoy this year in my life. At the beginning I wasn't looking for a car, but after I decided to buy a car because it was the easy way to cross the country. I was looking for a self-contained car, and like that it's easy to stay in free camp or things like that. Self-contained mean your car is like ready to go and ready to live, so you need to have a toilet in your car, which nobody uses, but you need to have that. And you need to have water inside, so I have like 2 big boxes of water, one for good water and one for not good water, with a sink which work with electricity. And with all of that, you need to pass a test, and if the test is good, your car is self-contained and you can go everywhere you want in all the free camps. When I was in Auckland, I was looking for cars, so I had different choice, and I chose this one because like the engine is very good. Toyota Altima is one of the most famous cars for backpackers, and everything was almost ready to go, so I decided to buy it.
I hope you enjoyed the van tours. If you didn't know, this is a brand new channel. My name is David. The channel is Declination. I'm going to be spending the next 5 years traveling the world, and I'm going to post a video about it every Thursday. So if you're interested, please subscribe. If you like the video, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.